Hey guys, we are playing Sleeping Dogs. Thank you, Lena, for giving me this game.
收到啦。咩啊？攞多錢？
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊。
清楚。OK，各單位準備，同我睇實佢。
你捉個威聲先好啊！
He's early.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the
Oh
same
boy.
side, remember?
That's definitely a
有得幾串喎
Easter egg there.
喂，有冇貨？
Yeah, you got the money?
Got the stuff.
喂，情報右邊
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦，路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend. Just
Are you crazy? No, don't.
maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
所有伙計唔好俾佢走甩啊！截住佢！
好傷害我啊！Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
喺後邊人，過嚟啊
Let's go! Let's go!
Come on! Oh, what's the nets? Do you see anyone? I think they're after Wu, crazy fuck! Hurry up! Oh shit! Run! Run!
Oh wow, parkour.
Stay with me! Come on, hurry up! They're on us! Come on! Goddamn! This, I hate this! Are you crazy? Keep moving!
你翻生，我係護士。哇啦，呢度唔歡迎你啊！
This is just like running through real Chinatown. Oh shit.
Kiddo，唔好喐！捉住佢！捉住佢！唔好俾佢走甩！捉住佢！捉住佢！佢走唔到㗎啦！插呢個！搭緊你！我要拉你！警察，咪喐！我哋而家要拘捕你。Come on, we can work something out, right？唔使諗啦，入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講。但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，然之後成為呈堂證供，你明白？
你而家成網課關
Hey man, I told you next week. 下個禮拜 OK？ OK？
點解你同我講埋呢啲
喂
嘢啊？5點咁樣
We
出
Shen?
嚟行啦！
It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Oh shit. Jackie Ma.
Lanaya, it is
Jackie,
you.
my man.
Can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Well, wait. Man, you look like shit.
Hey, fuck you. 15 years to do that. We're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old. But good to see you.
What the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
It was mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Yeah, lock up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on?
Nothing that'll stick.
Ha! Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Once they hear you're from Old Prosperity, happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
A few, you know. People kind of go their separate ways, but... You remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Redpole in the Sun On Yee. I've got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Redpole and the Sun On Yee. Shit, Dog Eyes always said he'd be running that neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a Redpole too. And still a total poke guy. He was the one who got Winston in. They were pretty tight back then, but now... Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your sister?
It was a long time ago.
Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day.
Yeah, good
Oh man,
times,
I gotta
good
tell
times.
Winston that story. He'll fucking love it. Man, Wei fucking Shen in the flesh. I can't believe it.
Jackie Ma!
Looks like I'm out of here.
Hey, Jackie. So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him...
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. It'll just be like old times.
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
You might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Well, I don't get it.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
I've done this before.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the triads here. The Sun On Yee is the most powerful
Look,
gang...
Raymond. Your name's Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Poles, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of all, the Dragonhead.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't panned out. We don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch. Oh, and Wei, good luck out there.
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the triads for what happened to his family. It could turn into a vendetta.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Wei Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being back, huh?
That's right.
Yeah.
So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. But Dog Eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole too. One thing. When we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild the paranoia.
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful.
Yo, my brother, that's a very fashionable fanny pack you got there. I get me one of those. Yeah, motherfucker. Alright. I like the detail in this game. It's like Shenmue.
Break even. Hey, Jiu Mei, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me.
Romeo
Once
and
we get
Juliet.
to know each other, they'll love me.
你條契弟，我今日就收你皮。
Leave him alone!
咬你就認，打就企定。
I'm gonna call the cops!
哼！你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊？
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Stop it!
Get off him, I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up.
Alright. Let's do this. You got a Jack G.
喂你啊！
Boom, 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 yeah. Take that. Oh, I missed. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Wait. So, 1, 2, and then hold. 2, 3, 4. And then, oh, nice. You want some? You want some of this? What's counter attack? 1, 2, 3. Nice.
Kidding me? Yeah, alright. Come the fuck on.
Alright, come.
死撚緊啊！
Oh. V? Alright, let's try a grab.
打撚爆你個頭！我要去橫屍街頭！你老婆幫你收屍啦！
Oh,
睇下你有
nice.
冇命行出去！家產睇住你啊！幫大佬做嘢啊！
Wait, how do I grab one?
仔，驚就走先啦！打實佢啦！我哋揾呢個嘢揾條仔啊！點啊？
Oh! There we go.
我幫你小撚生！放開我啊！你放開我啊！
You? You want some of this? You want some of this?
睇路啊，撚樣！
You want some of this? Let's run around a little bit.
喂，好撚痛啊！
I have a man on a mission.
喂，你好咯喎，你好放開我咯喎！喂，好撚痛啊！
It's just
屌爆佢啊！
Don't mess with my friends.
喂，你好咯喎，有放開我咯喎！
打到佢撚嘢仆街！你咁好大鑊啊！睇路啊，屎忽鬼！你仔驚佢走先啦！聽佢先啊！
點解上？
Come on!
點啊？好撚驚！
放過你啊！
仲上！死啦！仆街！撚嘢仆街！
Oh, nice. I could do anything with this scenario. Let's try a door.
你仔喐佢！驚佢走先啦！
Fuck you!
Yeah, take that. Oh yeah.
Are you done?
You want more? Huh?
I'm still here!
You want more?
Come and get me!
死梗啊！
That's right.
啱啦，中爆佢個頭！我一槍打爆你個頭，等你痛快啲。Damn, Wayne! What do they do to you in America, man?
America, #1.
That look nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Oh man, I want some Chinese takeout so bad right now. Next episode, that's what's gonna happen. It's gonna be like a thing, you know?
Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie.
Ha!
No
He's
outsider.
not an outsider. He's from Old Prosperity. Like us. Hochi all day. Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Old prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for people.
Oh, Jackie 話嘅。
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wei just beat up like 10 of Dog Eyes guys in the market by himself.
係咩？
They attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢啊？
Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker.
Wait a minute. 等一陣 I do remember you. You had a sister, right? 係咪啊？
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with Dog Eyes. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎。Where's she now?
She's dead.
Sorry. 唔好意思啦。
Yeah, that's what happens, man. Don't kill
So-
sisters.
10 guys, huh? You feel this? They're just crazy.
Try capable.
We'll see. Conroy, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you? Hey, Jackie, hang back a second. I want to hear more about your friend.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
Mortal Kombat.
So you're the tough guy that everyone's talking about.
How do I counter?
You like
Hey,
that?
you think you can fight?
I think I can fight.
I bet you
How
fall
about
at the
that?
first punch.
That all you got?
Come on, Conroy. You
Think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens when shit gets real. Alright, I'm gonna beat you and you're gonna take it.
You gonna back down?
Damn, I gotta counter. Yeah, try something. I'm trying it. Nice. You?
Come on, fight back. Why don't you get out of here? Huh?
Hello, boys.
Holy shit.
Nice.
Hey! 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊 Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, dog eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song Ong Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
It's Wei. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls with Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. Yeah, so what?
Wei's your brother.
And I was the first guy who ever stabbed you. You remember me now?
Whoa, Wei, what the fuck, man? Seriously, Wei? I apologize. I'm really sorry. Your sister blew me.
The night market is mine, dog eyes. You got Siwa in the warehouse. That was the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Hey, tell your sister to give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
He hasn't changed.
Yeah, he has. He used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not dog eyes. Got it?
Got it, boss. Momentai.
And you fuck up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
No problem. Yes, boss.
This'll be easy. No problem.
Is this how you treat
You have to be
everybody?
strong. That's what people respect. Oh, this is going to look great. So you mentioned your sister back there.
Mimi? Yeah, she OD'd years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit, but...
That sucks. She was, you know, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country, but the hooks weren't deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah.
See that guy?
Once she started.
Oh, man. And it was dog eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking dog eyes.
Damn, can I buy this
Tell
shit?
Winston?
I'll pay now.
I want a dragon kick.
Hey, all brands here are real. I got special supplier.
No? You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss, but when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Seriously? You serious? You want to test me?
Hey! What you selling? Excuse me, ice cream boy. Get the fuck out of my way. Get out of my way. Get out of my way.
喂，堅定流啊！
Joey Quan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
哇，阿姐你都撞，想死啊！
Give me your money. Now.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem.
Alright. That was easy.
You need anything? Just come ask.
Wait, okay, run now?
You know, this is gonna piss Dog Eyes off. At some
Wait.
point, Winston and Dog Eyes are gonna clash, man. It's going to be epic. Winston versus Dog Eyes. Just like the movies, man.
要買親手，睇啱邊款拎俾大家試下。
Everything a bargain. What do you want? Sorry, I got all the best bread.
中意金角食米啊！買嚟睇，買
I want ice cream.
You wanna do
Later.
the talking?
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Eye said he's in charge here.
Oh,
We're
yeah?
here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
全港最平，全港最平。
Don't be a tough guy.
深圳嘅價錢，名牌嘅質素，賣完就冇。
點會諗到咁㗎？
No！ 你幫我啦！哇！
Wait, don't do that. Okay, I will pay.
100蚊3件，買都買嚟睇下啦。
Yeah?
深圳嘅價
Just getting warmed up
名
there.
牌嘅質素，賣完就冇。
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. But Dog Eye won't be happy.
That's the point.
公司跳樓
do
貨，
this.
平到你唔信。
Out of my way.
You serious?
What did she say?
Dude, I think you killed him.
He'll be fine. He'll just have to drink through a straw for a while. We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back toy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These troops are moving in on your territory. Come on, guys! Kick his ass!
我覺得你搞錯咗啊！
Show him what you're made of!
Oh, yeah? I'll show you.
我同你有咩牙齒印啊？
Huh.